This is a quick exercise that I'm going to show you that you can implement in your daily practice to help you draw better portraits. I'm going to show you how to draw the head in three-quarter pose, front view, and a bit of an extreme angle. So I'm going to go quickly and show you how to establish the basic proportions using the Loomis method from this type of angles. So let's go ahead. So the first thing you want to do is just draw a circle. When you draw the circle, then look for the tilt of the head. So this is going to be the center line of the face, and as you can see, the head is slightly tilted downward. So now let's chop off the side of that cranium like this. If you don't know how to do that, just divide the circle. In a normal view, divide the circle into two, and the top portion and the bottom portion, you divide them into three, and the top line is going to be where that edge of the side plane is going to be. So if you take this distance here, you have the side plane where we chopped off the side. So this is how you take that measurement. So now let's divide the face into three, and normally this is going to be the brow line, the hairline, the bottom of the nose, and the equal thirds for the bottom of the chin. So because of the shape of the head, we need to chop off the side again, the left side of that cranium, just to give it a sense of 3D. So now let's draw the contour of the head. So to draw the side of the face, just take a line or a curve from the brow line, which is the center line here, the cross line, and you take that. And of course you have to look at the reference photo to see the shape of the far side of the face. He actually has a pretty tall face at this angle, so make sure you capture that as well. And now you just draw the shape of the jaw. So we have the bottom of the nose, brow line, and hairline. Yeah, so let's bring in the bottom of the chin slightly to the initial position here, like this. So here we have the shape of the head, and now let's just attach it to the neck. Two lines and another line that's coming for the muscles of the shoulders, like this. And we draw the other side. So this is how to draw the head in this type of angle using the Loomis method. So we're gonna draw the ear and the side plane of the face, like this. And we come here and add the hair. Of course, this is not exactly 100% like the reference photo, but we are just using the reference photo as a guide to help us draw the shape of the head. Later on, you're gonna spend more time to draw the actual features. Once you draw the Loomis proportions, basic proportions, you're gonna add the features on top. And the features, I'm talking about the shape of the jawline, the shape of the chin, cheekbone area, how big or small the nose is, how large the ear, and all of that. So we have our new Loomis head for this reference photo. We have another 3/4 pose. This time the angle is slightly tilted upward. So let's draw the circle of the cranium. I'm gonna chop off the side slightly this time because the head is it's like a front view at the same time. So let's chop off the side. And now we draw the center line of the face. And we draw the brow line, which is going to be slightly upward. The hairline, bottom of the nose, and bottom of the chin. And now we're gonna use the rule of foreshortening. So the bottom third is gonna be taller than the rest of the thirds. This one here is gonna be taller because of foreshortening. It doesn't have to be way larger than the rest of the features, just slightly. And if you take that, you can see there is some foreshortening. And this is because of perspective, you know. So now let's draw the shape of the face. We attach that to the jaw area like this. I'm gonna come here and draw the line for the face. Here the jaw like this, and we're gonna attach this to the head, to the neck, and this neck here, and the muscle of the shoulder like this. And we're gonna come here and add the ears. So the ears are way below their initial position because of the extreme tilt of the head. We have attached the Loomis cranium and fit it to this pose here. Alright, let's go to the next pose. So this one is a front view. So we draw the circle for the cranium. And now we're gonna draw the center line of the face and also the tilt of the head. Drawing the side plane of that cranium, and make sure these are equal because we are talking about front view. These sides are going to be equal. Now let's draw the brow line, and this brow line is going to come slightly downward because the face is looking a bit down. Yes. Hairline, bottom of the nose, which is gonna be, I think, here, and bottom of the chin here. Now let's just draw the shape of the head, which means the contour of the head, and we attach that to the chin. And we draw the shape of the jaw like this. Alright, we have the chin, the jaw area. So now we're gonna attach the head to the neck. Come here, draw a curve. Still, we are not trying to draw exactly the reference photo. We're just trying to draw the general shape, the primary shapes. So if we get this correctly, then the rest of the drawing is going to be easier. I know at the beginning it's going to be really hard to draw the circle, and especially when you are a beginner, it's going to be really hard to draw the circle and chop off that side like here. But with a lot of practice, you're going to eventually draw that correctly. Okay guys, I'm going to make another video on how to adapt the Loomis method to people that do not fit average proportion. If you enjoyed watching the video, please give it a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.